Welcome back to Millers in Motion. We are just wrapping up our golf trip here at the Streamsong Golf Resort, which if you didn't see last week's video, go back and check it out. It was a lot of fun. Got to come hang out with my dad, play some golf. We do a golf trip typically once a year, and I decided to record it this year. So if you're not into golf, it's still fun because there's some travel stuff as far as how we do all that. So, but what do we have going on for this stint? A lot. I've got a long 48 hours is the best way to say that. So we are currently in central Florida, just south of Lakeland. Actually, just about 30 minutes south of where we filmed RV Unplugged Season 2. But we are getting ready to head to the airport. And let's just say I got a lot going on. So Lauren is going to a horse show tomorrow. So we have to get from central Florida back to DFW, to the rig, and then on the road first thing in the morning to get to a horse show. And we have the threat of inclement weather. Now that I'm saying it on camera, it probably won't happen, and that would be amazing, not going to lie. But it could happen. So for some frame of reference on timing, the video we just wrapped up, we literally an hour ago just finished playing golf, came back to the room, got cleaned up, packed a little bit, and we're about to walk out the door. So let's get on the road, head towards the airport, and back to DFW. We have made it back to DFW. So after I left you guys in the truck last night, I was on my way back to the rig, and yeah, let's just say golf ball size how there's baseball right down the road. So it was a little crazy, so I kind of got here and just focused on getting stuff looked at and fixed if needed. And the rig did okay. The rig did fine. It's just filthy, and now we're trying to hook up. So I mentioned this yesterday at the hotel down in Streamsong, but Lauren has a horse show in Waco. So Lauren just left to go get Stella. I'm hoping she's recording some of that. We forgot to talk about it because we've been apart for like a week. But we're packing up the rig and we're about to head towards Waco. So let's get down there. Well, we have made it to Waco, Texas. I know I didn't get to talk just a whole lot to a lot of kind of the travel and everything else, so I wanted to briefly, now that I'm situated here in Waco, a little bit of what happened. So flight was fine, everything else was fine, but obviously I kind of hauled, and then when I got there, it was a matter of getting back, getting relaxed. I caught up with Lauren a little bit, and then we got up early and kind of hit the road again. So sorry I didn't just record and talk just a whole lot about what was going on throughout a lot of that, but yeah, sometimes unfortunately exhaustion wins, and I wanted to make sure I was being super safe with the RV. So what is about to come up / what are you about to see? So we are here at Extraco Event Center, also known as the Heart of Texas Fairgrounds, here in Waco, Texas. It's the same place we always come when Lauren shows in Waco. There's only the one facility here. So Lauren is at a B show. She is normally an A show rider, but every once in a while when she's getting back into it or trying to level up and she wants to practice a little bit, she'll come to one of these shows. So the show is only a few days long. So we're literally in and then we're going to be out again in just a couple of days. I think we're only here one full actual day. She does have a few horse shows coming up that we are trying to get ready for. So that's a big reason why we are here right now. So with that being said, she is going to run a couple of runs. I'm going to record a little bit of her. Going and doing her thing. So let's jump right into Lauren riding. We have made it back to North Texas, our home base. Mm-hmm. Even though we don't really have a home base, this is our kind of home base.
Our home base goes with us.
It does, that's true. So it has been a very long 5 days, 6 days, whatever it's been for me.
17 days?
I don't know. Because I started this video while I wrapped up playing the chain up in Stream Song, up and down in Stream Song.
Right.
And then the travel all the way back to Lorana.
Okay, that's about enough. We have a wedding picture of that too.
Yeah,
just so
this
you know.
one too.
It's been a long thing. Anyways.
And got to your horse show.
Yes. Short horse show. Normally we go for about a week. This one was only 2 or 3 days. It was really good. It was our first one of the season, and the horses didn't play to her strengths, but that's okay. We rode and we trained the way that we need to so that the next show where they do, we're going to be ready. So all in all, went really well. And we got to test out the new electric bikes at the horse show. And they made it through the sand and the hay and everything. So that was awesome.
The next horse show is really going to put them to the test, though.
It is. And that's kind of one of the reasons I wanted to do it.
Well, and the next horse show is coming up sooner rather than later, too.
That's right. Yeah.
So, but with that being said, I'm tired. I want to go to bed. So we will see you guys next week.
Bye, Mom.